Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. This is 100th video in our PTC Creo Parametric course where we are covering everything from basics to advanced technique. If you are new here and want to start from beginning, be sure to check out the playlist link that I have added in the description of this video. Let's talk about today's topic. We are going to continue exploring style tool, and in this session we will focus on copy proportional tool inside style tool in PTC Creo Parametric. And here in my screen you can see I am already in PTC Creo Parametric part modeling environment and inside style tool. And if I go here in curve and expand it, I can see copy professional tool is available here. And as you can see the further description, it says that copy the select curve and scale them proportionally. So this is exactly what copy proportional tool does. This tool allows us to create scaled copy of curve while maintaining their shape and proportions, making it highly useful in advanced surfacing and design iteration. So let's click on it. And now what I'm going to do here is probably I'm going to select a curve. So let's select this curve. And there we go. Here we can see we can scale this curve based on our need. Let's say you want to attach this curve at certain point, then you can press shift and then take the curve wherever you want. And in this way guys, we can change the scale. And here what we need to do is we simply need to press left mouse button and then you can keep on dragging it and can place the curve wherever you want, okay? And let's say you only want to go horizontal or vertical, then with dragging the curve, you can also press Ctrl and Alt. Now here we can see the curve is going in one direction. So in this way guys, we can create a copy of curve and we are increasing or even decreasing its size proportionally. This means that despite we are changing the scale of the curve, but we are not changing their shape and proportion. So in this way guys, we can create proportional curve. And that's also wrap up this session on copy professional tool inside style tool in Creo Parametric. And I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you want to elevate your engineering skill and want to stay updated in more in-depth tutorial, make sure to subscribe to Engineering Pritam. This channel covers a variety of topics from core engineering and CAD to project management and beyond. So there is always something valuable to learn. If you have got any questions, feel free to drop them in comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.